channel. Today is Sunday. It's Sunday, October 12th at 9:28 in the morning. I can't do my entire fall reset yet because my room is so dirty, it's so atrocious that I can't focus on any other thing in the house until I get this room under control. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're deep cleaning my messy room. Let's just say I'm always cleaning something. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on these lights. Growing up, when it was time to clean, my mom didn't play. Y'all, my parents are Caribbean, so that should explain everything. You guys know how we do. I can't get started cleaning until I feel presentable because then it just makes me more productive, you know? Like, I gotta get ready. I already took my shower, so that's good. I was supposed to get this cleaning done literally like 3 days ago. And every single day I was like, okay, I'm gonna just do it the next day. I'm gonna just do it the next day. I'm gonna just do it the next day. And now we're here and it's still not done. And it's Sunday, we're about to start a new week and it's fall, it's a new season. So I just wanna get my life together. We're just gonna go with a ponytail. I'm not even going anywhere today, except in my closet, because my closet is so dirty. I just have a feeling this is gonna take me a couple hours. And I hope this video motivates you guys. If you have something that you've been putting off or that you need to clean, girl, just put on this video on the TV and let's get to it. We're gonna do it together, okay? Okay. My plan today was to clean my entire house. And then I walked around my entire house and I was like, yeah, that's just not happening. Lock-in season is approaching, like winter arc, here I come. Now let's pick a little quick outfit to throw on because I don't want to stay in my pajamas. This is my closet.
Bruh.
My closet has been atrocious and a work in progress for so long. There's stuff all over the floor. But I promise you guys, we're gonna get this done, okay? We're gonna lock in together. But first, we need a quick little two-piece outfit or something. Okay, I have this little hoodie set I could put on. I haven't worn this actually in so long though. Okay. Hopefully I don't get too hot cleaning in this little two-piece. It's really cute though, like kind of swag. Now I just need to find my other house shoe because I don't like walking around. I cannot walk around my house without shoes. So I think I'm ready now to do my to-do list because y'all know the only way I can get through it is if I make a to-do list. All right, guys, I just had to change out of that hoodie already. It's been like 30 seconds, but I was way too hot. Let's get into the to-do list for the day. Clean my room, collect all the clothes, because the clothes in this whole entire dresser right here is just so bad. Nothing is organized. So I'm emptying all those drawers and I'm gonna take all the clothes out of my closet. So I'm gonna empty my closet as well. We're gonna do trash. I'll collect all the trash. I need to dust, I need to sweep. So that's pretty much everything. I also need to clean out my nightstand drawers. Yeah, that should be everything. These are the headphones I'm gonna use. These are my absolute favorite headphones in the world. Shout out to my sister. I think she bought them for me. These are in-ears. They're not like a regular pair of earphones. My work shoes. I remember when I did a summer internship for school, I wore these every day to work. I lose steam very easily, but I cannot lose steam this time. So my whole closet is pretty empty now. Still have like some random stuff, like what is this basket? I still have random crap in here. Like what is actually even in here? This is trash because I broke this mirror. It was such a cool mirror too. It was my travel mirror, but it cracked. So this is just such randomness. I just still have a lot of little things to go through, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there, guys. Slowly but surely. Only thing I'm really proud about is that all my jeans have kind of stayed like pretty organized for the most part. They're still folded up, so I'm not even gonna touch those. That's gonna stay right there. But it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm feeling good. I have been wanting to clean this freaking closet out for so long, and I'm just so happy that I'm finally doing it. Like, you guys have no idea. And like, I don't know who I thought I was, why I was about to try to clean my entire house and organize every room and closet today. That's like unheard of. That's not happening. So I'm just feeling good that I broke it off into smaller bite-sized sections, because I was gonna bite off more than I could chew. I'm freezing now. Like, my body is cold, but when I put on like a hoodie, it's too hot. I have to go fold up all these clothes. They were not really ever folded before, which is why my closet and my clothes situation has always been like ratchet. Can something be folded or hung up ever? Because then how am I supposed to know what's dirty and what's clean if none of it's ever folded? So I have to go sort through all these clothes, figure out what's dirty, what's clean, what I picked up off the floor, what I was gonna try on from my clean clothes but didn't wear, and put it back on the floor, you know? So let's go do that. First, I'm on my cycle. The one day I'm trying to get to work and be productive and be motivated. We just gonna take a quick ibuprofen because I don't have time. Nothing can slow me down today. Now let's tackle these clothes. See, right now, when it's time to do the clothes and I can low-key sit on the bed and do it, I like to put on a movie. I don't know if I'm gonna get distracted with a movie, but I kind of do when I put on a movie. It also helps me kind of time myself, because I know how long a movie's like, an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then I know I could be done with this by the end of a movie. Just this part. I don't think I'm gonna be done in the whole room. But at least all my drawers are empty. But yeah, we're gonna do these drawers too, and my nightstand drawers. One step at a time, please. Just hold on. I don't hear the washer going, so that means I can switch over that load, which means more clothes to fold. Clothes don't ever end, I swear. Never ending cycle of clothes. I'm about to donate like 50% of my closet. And you guys know, like, I have so many sneakers. Like, I have unreasonable amount of shoes. Like, I have over 100 pairs of Jordans. I probably haven't worn 90% of those shoes in over 2 years. I do not want to just be like an over-consumer hoarder house, you know? Nobody on earth needs 100 shoes, and I can't even wear them all. I'm keeping the collectible ones, the ones that I really love. Y'all didn't even ask me that, but let's do the laundry. Time for the hard part, which is folding all these clothes. It's not really hard, it's just I know I'm gonna be sitting right here for at least an hour folding all these clothes, so I feel like I'm gonna lose steam fast. For this portion, we're gonna put on a show. I already have a show that I was watching, but I fell asleep, so it's not gonna be in my continue watching. What is it called? I need to have a history on here. Oh, it's called Before I Wake. I started watching this last night and I fell asleep, but it was actually starting to be really good and I was actually really interested in it. So I'm gonna put it back on, figure out where I fell asleep at. You guys, literally, you guys are my motivation to clean up, because if I wasn't recording this video, I don't know how I would have any motivation right now. I would probably be in the bed. You guys are motivating me to clean, and then I'm gonna make this video, I'll motivate you guys to clean. Okay, the movie I was watching just ended, and I low-key closed the blinds because it was like glaring on the TV really hard. But that kind of just slowed me down, because why have I just been sitting on this bed watching a movie? Girl, this room ain't gonna clean itself, girl. But I'm in this robe too. It just looked like I just got comfortable, huh? But I'm still working hard, y'all. Let me open up these freaking blinds and turn back on this light, because that had me just chilling here and watching the movie. So let me just get back in that mode. Yo, why is there a starburst on this sock? I'm definitely losing some steam. I'm losing my motivation and I'm losing some steam, and I'm getting a little hungry. So I think I'm gonna just work on these clothes for a little bit and then go make me something quick to eat, because I can't do this much longer. How many, like a quick little break or something? Ugh. I'm officially out of steam. My room looks worse. This always happens though. Literally, once you start cleaning, I swear the room looks freaking worse. I've got a good pile of jeans that I've already folded up, stacked up right here. These are literally all my mini skirts. I have so many mini skirts, not even funny. My hangers that I'm looks crazy. But I think we're putting a dent in this pile. I mean, we must be. I have so many stacks here that are ready to be hung up, but I haven't hung them up yet. This is what the closet is looking like now. I'm slowly getting stuff on hangers. It still looks so bad because none of this stuff is organized by like type of clothing. Like it's just random. But first, I'm really just trying to get everything on a hanger, and then I can decide like this is all of this. These are clothes that were in my secondary closet when I was at my previous apartment. These aren't even clothes that I wear too much. This is literally like old work clothes when I was at that summer internship job. Like it's looking a little crazy because the clothes just look kind of random in here. As long as it's on a hanger, I can organize it. Like I'm gonna take some of these clothes that I don't even wear to my other closet. So I have places I could put the clothes I'm not wearing, but I'm losing steam. I'm getting hungry. Let's do a time check. It's 1 o'clock. And this is why I hate cleaning, because how is it 1 o'clock? Okay guys, I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to cook it up. So I just want to make something quick, like a quick bite to eat. I don't want to be down in the kitchen too long because I still have stuff to do upstairs. Normally I would just probably order something, but I have ordered way too much food and I'm trying to really just cook and eat healthier. So what I think I'm gonna do is just make a quick HelloFresh meal. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this portion of today's video. All right you guys, so yesterday my HelloFresh package delivered. All the meals for my entire week shipped straight to my door in this box. Let me show you guys what I got in my order. First things first, I got a 1-pan cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. I got a turmeric salmon and miso butter noodles. That's a premium pick, by the way. I also got a herb chicken with roasted asparagus. That looks amazing. And last but not least, I got a seared salmon with lemon Dijon sauce. You guys, I've been ordering from HelloFresh for so long. I have all my favorite recipes saved, and it's so convenient because it ships straight to my door. And they make it so easy for you to follow the recipes because they give you a recipe card with pictures and step-by-step instructions on how to make your recipe. So this is literally perfect for a day like today when I'm in a rush just to make myself some quick lunch and I don't have anything planned in my head already. So these are my 2 options for today. I'm thinking I'll either go with the 1-pan cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas, or I'll go with the herb chicken with roasted asparagus. Both sound so good, but low-key, this one might be faster to make. So this is like a lifesaver for me because I'm a young adult and I just don't quite have my life together yet. Also, this is such a good way to get more veggies in because I never buy veggies. Let's go ahead and see everything that comes in today's recipe. Okay, so the bag had everything I need to complete this entire recipe, and of course it did come with chicken. Prepped all my veggies and I put them in these cute little bowls. So now what we're gonna do is make pico and crema. Kids, dinner's ready! Can you move your big head? All right, you guys, just like that, 30 minutes later, I got a whole meal ready to devour. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna do a layer of the crema on bottom and on top. That's good. 10 out of 10. It tastes so good. It was so easy. And now I can enjoy a really quick lunch before I get back to work. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, go ahead and click the link down in my description box below. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. It tastes amazing and it's so easy. It makes dinner time, lunchtime so easy and so convenient. So check it out down below. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours and I'm not gonna lie, I've just been here tackling this big amount of clothes and it's finally, I can see the bed again, which is great. I have a lot of different, you know, sections of clothes that I'm bringing to the closet to hang up. Closet's looking so much better. Why am I already like losing all my motivation? Hello? So I don't know if I'm gonna organize the actual clothes up here. But as long as they're on a hanger, that is a win because the way this was looking, it was just getting so out of hand. This is what everything is looking like. I literally have piles on piles on piles. These are like pajamas, sweatpants, jeans, all the hangers, which was way more and I've used so much. This over here is my delete pile. I had a keep or delete pile. This is the delete pile. These are literally all my mini skirts that I think I'm just gonna end up putting in a bin like this and putting in my closet. And this is my dirty clothes. And yeah. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking a mess. It's not looking good, but it's feeling good. Look how good this looks. It hasn't looked like this in a probably since I moved in actually. But my jeans all nicely folded. Literally my drawers are pretty much empty because most of my clothes I really ended up just hanging up. But this is kind of like my pajamas, house clothes, stuff that I just kind of wear at home. And I don't mind if it's a little bit crushed, I just put it in the drawer. So now what I have to do is clean off my dresser. I have to clean out these two drawers because they look crazy. And then I just have to clean off my nightstand and my nightstand drawer. Because these drawers are so shallow, I just use this as a junk drawer because I don't actually put anything for real in here. So these are my junk drawers for real, but we're still gonna organize it. Pretty much just empty it because most of this stuff is literally junk. Guys, look how cute this is. I literally got this necklace in Anguilla, and this is sand from Anguilla, and like the blue part is supposed to represent the ocean. All right, I just emptied them all out. I'm just gonna try to leave them empty because these just get junky anyway. I don't even have anything that can fit in here. Now that I've emptied that, I'm gonna move on to the next thing. One of the final things I need to do is this drawer. And then we're pretty much there. This is the last drawer. And then it's pretty much just like regular stuff, like making the bed. Okay, she's looking way better. Looking like she got some organization. Now we could do this. Cute, cute, cute. All right, you guys, we're at the last stretch of this room deep clean. I'm so tired, y'all, but I feel so good. I feel so much better. It was clean on the surface before, but now it's deep, deep clean. Like my drawers are organized, my closet looks good, my nightstand's organized, so I'm happy about that. Literally, all I have to do is like sweep and stuff and like vacuum and mop, which I don't feel like doing none of that today, by the way. But anyways, this is what my list is looking like. So literally all I have to do is dust, sweep, and mop. I think I might just sweep and mop tomorrow. Guys, it's just I'm so pooped. I'm just obsessed with my closet. Like I can fully walk in. It is a walk-in closet again. It's a runway. I can model in here. All right, you guys, my room is done. Just looks so clean and cute and girly, and your girl can finally chill for the night. Actually, let's do a time check because I feel like I've been doing this all day. It is 6:51. Anyways, I'm about to go enjoy my clean room, sit on my bed and do nothing. I love you guys so much. I really hope this video motivated you to get up, clean your room, do some organizing, do some decluttering, get ready for the new season for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. because I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.